All right, so you can see I'm in the middle of a painting. So it's a solid wooden frame. You can see here, wooden frame, and I am doing the acrylic painting here. So almost half is done. Now I'm just putting two person sitting on a bench. So let's draw the bench here. Okay, so this is the outline for the bench. Mhm. On the top, let's take a very tiny brush, drawing the other portion, and just this is the shading area. Mhm. Also it has a two stands like this at the bottom, you can see, and two of these in the middle. So because of the shades, maybe some some shades in the background you can see. All right, and we're going to put a guy sitting here. hmm okay, and this is the head of that guy. Okay, all right, and we're going to do the details little bit later. First, let's put the color here. hmm okay, now I'm going to take the white color for the other girl here. hmm okay, and also the dress you can see, and the white part. Okay, few dots of the white one you can see on the ground. All right, putting the head here with the black color. Okay, you can see the black color here. All right, and this is the line of the bench. So it's the few details just we need to make the drawing visibly very good. Okay, so this is the finishing point to the end of the visualizations. Mhm. Okay, we can put some long strokes like this. All right, so here, and the white portion maybe increase a little bit. Okay, let's put few dots on the ground, and also few dots for the trees on the top. Okay, we're going to put the little shades on the one side of the trees. Okay, also the same kind of shades For the trees on this side too, you can see. Mhm. Okay, and you can see the trees here on this side and the trees here on this side. Mhm. So few shades in the bottom. Okay, now if you observe that the painting is almost done, it's a very springtime and a couple sitting on the bench in the middle. Mhm. So we're going to have a closer look by the camera. Okay, let's have a look from different angles. Mhm. I'm going to just zoom out and you can see it's looking good. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.